Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to AutoFit both columns and rows in Excel so all your content fits perfectly without cutting off text or wasting space. So first, to be able to begin, just open Excel via online or via the app on your desktop and click and drag to select the range of cells you want to AutoFit. So if you want a specific cell range, so you could just click and drag for that range, or if you want all, you could Control L to select the entire sheet. So I'm just gonna go ahead and try to go ahead and drag it a specific cell range. Right after, we're gonna go ahead and try to click onto the home tab here under the upper part. So in the cells group, we have format here. So there are two options. We could go ahead and choose AutoFit column width. So we have that here. So this will adjust the width of each column to fit the longest content inside. And if you want to go ahead and AutoFit the rows, so the same thing here on home, under cells tab we have format and AutoFit row height. So this will also ensure all rows resize to fit their tallest content, including wrap text. So let's try to add here a long text like hi everyone, welcome to our channel. As you can see, they should go ahead and overlap the different cells here, but since you've gone ahead and adjusted that, it will go ahead and AutoFit. So if ever you did not gone ahead and turn that one on, so you could also double click the edge between column headers like this one. Over here, you could just simply double click onto that to AutoFit individually. So you could just go ahead and click keep it on if you want to keep that on or turn it off. And that is just basically it. Your Excel sheet is now clean, readable, and professionally spaced. If you think this has been helpful, then don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, also check out the links in the description for some helpful bonuses, tools, and extra resources we share with our viewers. Thank you very much for watching, and see you on to the next one.